Hi everyone, I'm Benzar Escoto from BSC to Y1-2. In this video, I will discuss the parts of analog camera and digital camera. Number 1. Shutter speed ISO. Shutter speed is where that how long the shutter is open expressed as a time of measurement. Number 2. Shutter release button is the button that is pushed to take a photograph. Number 3. Film advance lever. Used to rotate the film inside the camera in order to take a new picture. Number 4. Frame encounter. An area that indicates which part of the canvas gets recorded or exported. Number 5. Neck strap eyelet. A small hole used as an attachment point for a strap or string. Number 6. Hand grip. The hand grip is a protrusion on the right hand side of camera that is ergonomically shaped to be comfortable when held in the hand. Number 7. Self-time lever. Delays the shutter and is useful for taking group shots that include the photographer. Number 8. Lens release button. Press this button to unlock the lens mount and detach the lens by rotating it. Number 9. Hot shoe contact is a mounting point on the top of a camera to attach a flash unit and other compatible accessories. Number 10. Film rewind crank, an accessory for the fast and convenient rewinding of the film. Number 11. Film rewind knob. Pressing the rewind knob allows the film lever to advance and reset your shutter curtain while simultaneously allowing the take-up spool to not move to advance the film. Number 12. Film speed window. Film speed is a measure of film sensitivity to light. Number 13. Aperture ring. The aperture ring is a collar on the lens that can be rotated to increase or decrease the opening of the aperture petals. Number 14. Distance scale. Distance scale shows the focal distance, the distance from the image sensor to point of focus in meters or feet. Number 15. Focusing ring. The focusing ring on a camera adjusts the distance between the lenses within the camera to fine-tune where the image forms. Number 17. Multiple exposure lever. A multiple exposure lever allows you to shoot overlay images. Number 18. Exposure measurement button. The exposure measurement button tells you to correct the exposure to use to put whatever it is metering in zone V. Number 19. Viewfinder eyepiece. Is the eyepiece on a camera that you hold close to your eye to allow you to see what's being photographed. Number 20. Rewind fork. The rewind fork is two-pronged gadget that engages the 35 mm film canister to rewind the film. Number 21. Film cartridge chamber. To hold film and move motion picture film stuck before and after it has been exposed in the camera. Number 22. Battery chamber lid. A lid to retain and protect the batteries. Number 23. Tripod socket. The socket encloses the rotating ball and also contains the controls for locking the ball. Number 25. Film sprocket. To guide the film through the camera from its canister. Number 26. Camera back. The word itself, it is the back of the camera. Number 27. Film pressure plate. A smooth spring-loaded plate that holds the film on the film plane and act as brake, help to hold the film steady while it is exposed. Number 28. Film rewind button. This button releases the film take-up reel and allows you to rewind the 35 mm film. Number 29. Film take-up spool. An empty spool in a camera used to gather up the film after it has passed through the movement. Number 30. Film cartridge confirmation window. A part of 35mm SLR camera, usually located at the rear part where you can see if the camera is loaded with film. Number 1. Built-in flash. Can be used not only when natural lighting is inadequate but to fill in shadows and backlit subjects or to add a catch light to the subject's eyes. Number 2. Flash button. Its main functionality is to force the flash to open before triggered. Number 3. BKT button. To choose the bracketing increment and number of shots in the bracketing program. Number 4. Infrared receiver is hardware that sends information from an infrared remote control to another device by receiving and decoding signals. Number 5. Mounting marker saves the camera's position and orientation used to create multiple cameras views to change camera views in your program and create animated camera moves. Number 6. Built-in microphone allows users to carry out hands-free conversation on it. Number 7. Lens release button. Press this button to unlock the lens mount and detach the lens by rotating it. Number 8. Connector cover. Protective enclosures designed for electrical connectors to ensure their integrity and functionality. Number 9. Cover for accessory terminal and external. Prevent accidental contact with live electrical parts, but also protect against the ingress of dust, moisture, and other contaminants. Number 10. AP mode button. Press and release the AP mode button on the gateway. Number 12. Lens. Lenses work similarly to the human eye and allow you to control the amount of light that enters your camera. Number 13. Mirror is responsible for sending light to the pentaprism into the viewfinder. Number 14. USB port. Start by connecting your USB camera to your device using the appropriate cable or adapter. Number 15. A or V out. A basic monitor output for your rear LCD screen. In short, audio-visual out, allowing you to display your menu and image review on a separate screen. HDMI connector. HDMI provides interface between any audio and video source. Number 17. Accessory terminal. Terminate a single wire and connect it to circuit or other system. Number 18. Connector for external microphone. Is a jack to connect a microphone. Number 1. Viewfinder eyepiece. To allow you to see what's being photographed. Number 2. Rubber eye cap. To make using the viewfinder more comfortable and to block stray light entering the camera's viewfinder. Number 3. Delete or format button. You can either select and erase unnecessary images one by one or erase them in one batch. Number 4. Playback button. This is the button for playing back images you have captured. Number 5. The monitor is a monitor that attaches externally to a digital camera to aid with photography and cinematography. Number 6. Menu button. Press the menu button to access the camera's internal settings such as image quality. Number 7. Help or protect button. Used to protect images in the file. Number 8. ISO sensitivity button. It represents sensitivity to light as a numerical value. Number 9. Quality or size button. Indicate the different levels of image quality caused by different compression rates. Number 10. Diopter adjustment control. For the binocular and can be used to adjust for any differences between the viewer's eye. Number 11. AEL or AFL button. Can control both auto exposure lock and autofocus lock. You can control exactly how this button operates by changing its custom settings. Number 12. Speaker. This where comes out the audio of the camera. Number 13. Command dial. This lets you adjust the shutter speed and when the exposure compensation aperture button is held aperture. Number 14. Live view switch. It enables you to view and compose the shot on the LCD screen, enabling you to shoot with the camera at an unusual angle or away from your body. Number 15. Movie recording button. The camera automatically selects continuous automatic focus for focus mode. Number 16. Multi-selector. You can move the focus area by pushing the multi-selector up, down, left, or right. Number 17. Memory card slot cover. It prevents the SD card to dust and other thing that can harm the SD card. Number 18. OK button. This used primarily for selecting menu items, but on some cameras, it will also center the active focus point when using single point autofocus. Number 19. Infrared receiver is a hardware that sends information from infrared remote control to another device by receiving and decoding signals. Number 20. Focus selector lock. You can lock the focus on a subject and recompose the shot. Number 21. Memory card access lamp is there to indicate that the camera is accessing the card, either to write when shooting or read data when previewing images. Number 22. Info button. Info button controls enables developers to provide help and guidance to app users in accessible way.